How to download ORBOT on Android device. Are you facing issue to download ORBOT on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download ORBOT on your Android device, first of all, open Play Store on your Android device. Once you open the Android device, just simply tap on search bar and search for ORBOT. After search bar, you click on the second option where you can see this icon for ORBOT Store for Android. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see this option for install. Just simply tap on install. After you click on install, your application will install on your device. It will very according to your Android or Wi-Fi speed. So that's it, guys. That's how you're going to download ORBOT on your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding ORBOT, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.